In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock out lessons in Tutor LMS. Let's dive into the process of securing your content with just a few straightforward steps. First and foremost, you need to identify which lesson or course you wish to protect. This is the part of your educational content that you want to restrict access to, ensuring that only those you permit can reach it. Once you've decided on the precise lesson or course, proceed to edit it. You can access the editing options by navigating through your course dashboard and selecting the lesson or course you're managing. After you've accessed the editing interface, direct your attention to the visibility settings. This is key to controlling who sees your content. Within these settings, you will notice an option labeled Password Protected. Selecting this option is the gateway to adding a layer of security to your lesson. It's what will allow you to restrict access by requiring users to enter a password before viewing the material. It's crucial to choose a password that effectively balances being easy enough for authorized viewers to remember while ensuring it's robust enough to prevent unauthorized access. Once you've entered a password of your choice into the designated field, double-check to ensure it matches your criteria for security and memorability. It's a good practice to note this password down in a secure place or communicate it clearly to those who should have access using a secure method of communication. After entering your password, the next step is to save your changes. Saving these changes will apply the new visibility setting, effectively locking your lesson or course behind a password gate. And with that, your lesson is now password protected. Remember, this is an excellent way to ensure your educational content remains exclusive to those you intend, providing an extra layer of privacy and control over your digital learning environment. As you review your course materials or lesson plans, don't hesitate to revisit these settings whenever you need to make adjustments, either by updating the password or changing its visibility settings to adapt to new situations or audience requirements. Taking the time to properly manage access to your lessons not only protects your intellectual property, but also enhances the learning experience for your students by ensuring they receive content that might be specially curated for their needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial on locking out lessons in Tutor LMS helpful in managing and securing your content. If you have any further questions or topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment. In the meantime, happy teaching, and see you in the next video.